This is my favorite time of year, helping the kids to make their first gingerbread house. You can try at your home with your kids. Don't worry about the final product, just focus on the experience and learning fun with kids here. The ingredients are 150 grams brown sugar, 200 grams flour mix, 150 grams unsalted butter, 100 grams icing mix, 1 egg. Mix the 150 grams brown sugar with the butter. Mix it well. Then mix the 1 egg with it. Now mix the 200 grams flour mix. You should not add water. The moisture in the egg will bind the flour, sugar, and butter well. Keep this final dough in a fridge between 1 hour and 24 hours. The longer will be better. After an hour, take this dough and make the shapes as you wish. I used the side panel and front view of the house cutter. After you make the shapes, you can keep it oven keep fan settings at 170 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. The baking is over. The tasty Ginger House Biscuit is ready. Now we prepare the decoration using the icing. The icing mix should be mixed with a spoonful of water and mix it well. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please click like and comment.